Hey guys, so we're over here at actually the Bird Creek trailhead. So we're going to be doing Bird Ridge today, but I just parked at a different trailhead. It's right next to it. The parking lot's a little bit bigger, and it looked like the Bird Ridge trailhead was getting pretty full. But it's very close to the start of Bird Ridge anyway, so it's fine. But we're just going to be going up Bird Ridge today. So this is kind of the start here. We've only been walking for like 2 minutes, but this is the start of the trail. And so I have only done this one twice in the winter. I've actually never done it in the summer. So things might be a little different than I remember them. But most of it's, the beginning part is through this forested area. And then we'll kind of break out past the trees in a little bit. Alright, getting a better view. This is Penguin over there. Me and my dad did that last year. We have another view of Rainbow. And then we have behind us just the inlet. And so we're still heading up. This part's a little bit rocky, but it's more like stair steps. You don't have to climb or anything. So it's pretty easy. But I'll keep you updated as I go. Alright, we're coming up to the bench here. So here it is. But take a little break here. That nice view. And so this is one of the stopping points if you're not wanting to go all the way up. So it took us about 47 minutes to get here. So there's a little portion here where it flattens out. You can see that nice view of Penguin still. And then the trail we're heading on. And so it's a pretty nice day. It's like 60-ish. It was really sunny. It kind of clouded up a little bit. And mosquitoes aren't too bad actually. I have like just a couple bites. So compared to the last couple hikes, this is really good. So I'll just keep you updated as I go. So right up here, I believe is the top of there. So we'll keep heading up. So I think we're coming up to where we have one little ridge walk and a little more elevation gain, and then we'll be at the top. So let's see. Just gonna get around these rocks here. So yep. So top is right over there. So we don't have too much longer. But I'll catch you in a little bit. Alright. Still moving up. There's the top right over there. And we kind of get our first view over the backside here. And so this is a pretty popular trail. I'm actually fairly surprised. I only saw one couple I passed a little earlier. Actually two, sorry. I passed two couples earlier. So I think, well, it seems like it'll be a pretty quiet day. But maybe we'll see a couple people up top. And I believe all the way back, straight back there is, I think it's called Bird Point. Looks like there's a good amount of snow on it. But that is one I wanted to do at some point. So maybe later in the year, we'll come back and tackle that one. But I'll work my way up, get a video when I get there. Well, I think we're almost at the top here. I think I just found all the people. I just passed like 2 or 3 groups. I think right over here's the official top. I'm not 100% sure. It could be right there. But we're just gonna say over here is. If someone would like to dispute me, write it in the comment section. Another nice view of Penguin there. We're here. Well, there's one of these little tube things. I don't know what they're called. But anyway, let's see how long that took us. Let's see, exactly an hour 45. So we made pretty good time. I think it's, well, you know what, let's look and actually check all trails here real quick. So it's about 2.3 to the top. So we made pretty good time. You know, I made such good time. I'm tempted to at least look over that way. Maybe we'll just walk a little bit and kind of see how difficult that looks. Because it looks like over on Bird Point, you kind of stick to the right side and you could get up it. I don't know. Alright, well that was about it. So it took us total, looks like 3 hours and 5 minutes. So just a little over 3. I did come down kind of fast today. The ground was in pretty good condition, so it wasn't slippery or anything. I didn't run, but did kind of like a quick walk. But yeah, that's about it. So see you in the next one.